there is a PCB board here. This board, it has few functions. One is to control the current that it's gonna operate with, because this device uses quite little electricity. It uses around 12 to 24 volt. So there is small item here which we can configure according to each of the truck's fuel consumption. So let's say, for example, one of your trucks runs kilometer per liter at about 2 or 2.2 to 2.2 kilometer per liter. So the configuration for this device may be higher because your truck consumes more diesel, and therefore we need more hydrogen for the fuel mix to enable to enhance the engine to work more efficiently. Another component we have here is the vacuum sensor. This vacuum sensor intake point is usually quite close to the hydrogen intake point, and the function of this vacuum sensor is that it allows this device to control the amount of hydrogen according to the vehicle's mode. So for example, if the truck is in a running mode, so then it will sense more vacuum, so it will generate the configured amount of hydrogen into the engine. So if your truck is in idle mode, that means you'll generate less, or you'll go into the idle mode for the hydrogen generation power, which is very, very little. So the components across these three products are the same. They work the same, it's just the application is different. So the green one is for trucks and generators, the blue one is for boats, and the black one is for cars.